If you, my friend, are looking to learn more about personal or business credit, you are in the right place. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and I, at one point, was in your shoes. I was looking for every solution out there to help me repair my credit, fix my credit, so I can get funding and do what I needed to do. But it just wasn't that simple. I paid so many different people that could help me. I paid so much money out, and I was sick and tired. And I was at that point where I was just sick and tired of being sick and tired. I couldn't find anyone that I could really take serious for my credit. I joined mentorships, and that's really where the road started taking a turn for the better. I invested in myself in learning the process to fix my credit and build my credit without doing it by taking shots in the dark because I was blind. I did not know what I was doing. And in the credit community, this is where we guide you along the way to make sure that you're making your next move your best move. We are a group of individuals that are passionate about credit and want to teach you the same. We're going to be speaking about so many different things inside of the credit community. Not only is the credit community going to be covering a live call with myself every week, but you're also going to have access to all of the courses that have over 60 different modules talking about personal credit, business credit, funding, banks, starting a Turo business, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and so much more. Not to mention, you're going to have access to my virtual assistants that help me. They can either take on your entire back office for you, or if you wanted to purchase a one-on-one coaching with myself to join the VIP program where we work together on your systems and building out everything for your business, you can also do that. You're going to have access to build your business, how to start your business. We're going to be going over how to start your business right online, how to open up your business bank accounts, how to create everything so it's very easy to access so you stay organized. We're going to be talking about how to start building your business credit, building relationships directly with the banks. We even have access to the business credit course like mentioned before. So you're going to have a great wealth of resources, a number of different business trade lines. You're going to have access to our library of all the different tiers. You can start building business credit as soon as you start the business by using NAV to help build up and establish your business credit. We're even going to be talking about how to get business credit cards, leveraging your personal credit, even as a brand new business. You'll have how to turn cash into credit, how to turn credit into cash. It goes both ways. So we're going to need to leverage both of those different ways. We're even going to be talking about how to repair credit, how to start a credit repair business. If that's what you're here for, I specialize in helping people start and scale their credit repair business. You can add a number of different income streams to credit, whether that's funding, business credit, consulting, coaching. There's so many different avenues that you can go down depending on what your goals are. We're even going to be talking about how to get into Turo. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I'm going to be sharing my experiences with Turo. I started doing Turo back in 2020 when it was really popular and it was a great success. But now here in 2024, we're going to be discussing if it is still a great investment for you based on the territory that you're in. I'll be showing you guys how to do that research to determine whether or not that's going to be a good move for you, because you always want to make sure that you do your research first. And that's why you want to join the credit community so you can get that guidance that you need. Not only do I have myself in there, but I've got other representatives and specialists that are going to be helping out as well. So you can ask questions to a number of different professionals to get feedback if you don't like what I say, or you might want to just get someone else's opinion on it. You just never know. But we're also going to be talking about where to build business credit, how to get business funding, how to get personal funding, how to automate your business, how to get high limit credit cards. Yes, even myself, I was stuck in that $500 approval range for what seemed like forever. And what are we going to do with those $500 approval credit cards? We need to learn how to get higher limit credit cards, and we're going to be going over all of that as well. We're going to be talking about how to make 5 figures online and how to make 6 figures in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great tool to add even to your credit repair business, not to mention all of the people that are on TikTok. You can do an affiliate shop on TikTok or a TikTok shop and do affiliate products. You can also do Amazon. So there's a lot of resources out there to make money online by simply referring other products to people or services. We're going to be talking about how to market your business even on social media. You can use YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, whatever niche your audience is going to be at. That's where we want to market and master first, and then we can spread the love. And, if you're one of those people that does well multitasking, we can use all of them. But we definitely are going to be wanting to automate our social media presence, how to create content online and schedule that content to post to all of those different platforms. So you only have to do the work once. Okay. I'm going to be sharing with you how I record videos, how I batch record, how you can record shorts and repurpose them across all of the different social media platforms, including YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, you name it. So we can definitely cover all of that and more inside of the credit community. We're also going to be talking about how to remove inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours and what to do if they don't get removed. We're always going to be talking about other avenues in case something doesn't work for you, because as you may know, in credit repair, there is never going to be a black and white plan. There is a lot of gray area when it comes to credit. And unfortunately, what may work for someone else may not work for you. So we want to make sure that we're giving you other alternative, pieces of information that you can do, actionable items that you can actually work on in case plan A doesn't work. We always want to have those backup plans for you, okay? And that's what I'm here for, is to help guide you along the way, because again, what may work for somebody else may not work for you, and that's okay. There's another way to do it. The old saying, there's a number of different ways to, make it down the road. You just got to figure out what path is going to be best for you. So that's kind of like why I'm here, to act as your personalized GPS for credit, to kind of give you the direction that you need to go, give you a few different options, and kind of tell you, hey, if you go this direction, these are some of the things that might happen. But if you go this direction, these are some of the things that might happen, and giving you the options so that way you can make the best educated decision based on what your goal is, okay? You have to be a part of the process when it comes to credit, because we are working towards long-term success. As we all know, credit is not something that is short-term. It is very long-term. And if you want to be successful and have a good, healthy relationship with your finances long-term, you really want to be able to master credit. And that's why it is so important when I work with people, I tell them, we need to spend a year together. We need to really erase everything of what you thought you may know about credit and relearn everything that is real and actually going to benefit you, so you can leverage your credit and create multiple streams of income. You can leverage your credit and purchase property. You can leverage your credit and do whatever it is that you want to do. Because when it comes to credit, the opportunities are absolutely endless, because when you have good credit, that means that you are a responsible individual, and the banks are not worried about giving you funds, because based on your track record, your adult report card, you've shown responsibility to repay back debt as agreed, okay? And that's what it's all about, paying that debt on time as agreed and having that healthy relationship with your finances. Because once your credit falls into place, everything, it's a domino effect. Everything follows. When I had bad credit, I was a mess, okay? Once I got my credit together and had a good, healthy relationship with my personal finances, I was able to leverage that on the business side and scale my businesses and create multiple streams of income by leveraging my credit. Did it happen overnight? Absolutely not. But it's a process, and I'm going to guide you along the process, whatever your goals may be. You can start a credit repair business. You can start a funding business. You can start an e-com business, whatever you desire, rental car business, whatever it is. If you want to purchase properties to start Section 8 housing, you want to purchase a home because you're a first-time home buyer, we're going to be covering all of that. And I'm going to be having people come on and also share their success stories as far as how they have been successful when it comes to credit and how they have been able to find success in their niche that they specialize in. Because it's always important to hear how other people are finding success in their particular niche. I'm going to be sharing with you a number of different ways that you can run your credit repair business smoothly, have your systems set up in place, have your operations set up in place, all of the different tools that I have used to become successful as a credit repair business, making six figures. I'm also going to be showing you how to start a trade line business where you can actually sell trade lines, personal and business trade lines, and make $50,000 or more in a year. That is a great additional stream of revenue that does not cost you anything. All it really is going to take is building relationships with other folks that might, or just reselling my trade lines that I offer to my mentees at a discounted price. You'll have full community access on the app School, and you'll be able to go through all of the previously recorded content that we've had that you missed so far. All of our sessions are recorded and then put up on our platform for those newcomers to rewatch and learn from. And if you have questions, feel free to send me a direct message right there on the School app. Right now, the School community, for all of this stuff that I have mentioned, not to mention we're giving you the secret lenders list. We've got a number of banks that we give you that are going to pull from each credit bureau so you can do credit stacking, get your credit report together, get you set up for success. There are going to be anywhere between 4 and 8 monthly calls as of right now, and we're going to add to that number as our community grows. Right now, we are meeting every Friday, and we can have our weekly accountability call to ensure that you are staying on track. Not to mention, one last thing, guys, and this is the most important. I am going to be giving you all of my tricks, hacks, and secrets that I don't share with anyone on how I have been able to get so much success when it comes to deleting negative items from credit reports, from being able to dispute online to being able to submit supporting documentation. I'm going to be giving you all of the hacks that no one else out there is going to give you guys. I'm going to be giving you so much information, not to mention how to create pay stubs for your business so that way you can get approved for more funding for your business. Again, guys, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and if you haven't by now, make sure that you have subscribed to the YouTube channel Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Follow me on Instagram, but most importantly, join the credit community. It is only $97 a month right now. And when I tell you that I have spent over $5,000 for mentorships that were only 1 month long and were $5,000 and gave less value than this. I'm telling you guys right now, this is a steal of a deal. And the reason why I'm doing this is to help support you guys, because when I was in your shoes, there wasn't something out there that was affordable for me that I was able to allow me to learn, earn, and be able to prosper. Until next time, join the community. I look forward to having you a part of our credit community. Let's go.